Good morning, everyone. May I greet a pleasant good evening from my end. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I am the extension of the seller. Wilhelmina was being hired by the seller to handle sales and marketing for them. I'll give you my background again. I think I mentioned that on my previous video on my YouTube channel. And you can find this video as well on my platform on Facebook. Now you have two choices. I know you've been searching for gold. You search on YouTube. YouTube is the best website with the best marketing tools. You can place your product via YouTube, and you can also place your product through Facebook. All right. Many years ago, you can communicate with faxes. You send email, you send your order through fax. Today, you can buy through internet. You can send email and you can place an order. Now, I'll give you an example. Facebook is the best website. I purchase product through the advertisement on Facebook. I purchased this one, okay, through advertisement on Facebook. I also purchased this one because I'm traveling to visit my loved one. I purchased this through Facebook advertisement, right? And you buy gold through Wilhelmina via advertisement. So I advertise Africa. I promote Africa. So most of you been running around and searching which is the best seller or the best product that you are going to find. You can only find gold and diamond via YouTube channel or via my platform on Facebook. Now I'll give you my background. I think I mentioned that from my previous video. Wilhelmina was being hired by a company who produce gold in Africa. So I promote Africa. You would not find anyone that share the knowledge about Africa. I just been to Africa. Most of the buyer from Dubai, they buy gold in Africa. 98% gold enter into Dubai coming from Africa, from different part of Africa. Now, I know you've been panicked and conscious about the price. So the price of gold, it fluctuates. Last November 4, the price of gold on 24 carats was $126,000, 492.29 per kilo. Today, November 10, 2025, the price of gold on the world market is $131,170.13. Can you see the difference? From November 4 was 126. Today, November 10, 131,170.13 per kilo. Now, this is already refined, which is gold bullion. Gold bullion belong to the central bank. Gold bullion belong to the refinery. Now, most of you are confused. Gold bullion cannot be gold bullion if there is no raw materials, which is called Duribar. Now, where the raw materials coming from? From Africa. Because Africa is a huge deposit of minerals. There are 24 countries in Africa. Central Africa, East Africa, West Africa, North Africa, and South Africa. Now, I handle West Africa, which is Conakry, Guinea, close to Dubai, Bamako, Mali, and Sierra Leone. So most of the buyer travel to Africa searching for precious mineral, which is gold and diamond. Now, nowadays we are now on the digital information. Wilhelmina is the one who promote Africa. That is the reason why most of the buyer come to Wilhelmina. Now, my head office in Conakry delivered 29 kilos to Dubai. The customer of my head office is Korean. And he's been searching for gold and he found my head office. I just want to update you. Now, my head office has an existing customer. And you are my new customer. So don't worry about our client because it's none of your business. And we don't divulge our client because of privacy. I just mentioned to you that my head office delivered 29 kilos. Our selling price, less 5%. Whatever the total sell value on the gold on the world market. Now, don't panic because you are dealing direct to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator at the same time. And I'm also the extension of the seller. I am the gateway for you to secure gold properly. Now, few minutes ago, I mentioned today the price 131,170.13 per kilo on refined. You are not buying refined from us. We are selling unrefined, which is a raw materials, which is Doribar. Our selling price 120,240. Can you see the difference? From 131,170.13 refined, which is called gold volume, 99.99. You are buying 22 carats, which is $120,000 per kilo, 240 per kilo. Now, don't bank on it because the price, it fluctuates. November 4, the price of gold was down. Okay? That was 3,933.91 per ounce, which is 126,492.29. And today, per ounce, 4,079.85. The real price, 131,170.13. On 22 carats, $120,000, 240. Now, bear with me. I'm going to look at the price of gold because it fluctuates time to time. Okay? Okay. Now, few minutes ago, the price goes up on the world market. The price of gold, 4,080.35. Okay? Few seconds ago, the price was 4,079.85 per ounce. Now, 4,080.74 per ounce in dollars term is 131,198.74. So don't bank on it because the price, it fluctuates. Now, you can view the world market if you are really a buyer. You can search on the price of gold every half an hour. Okay? Our selling price, less 5%, whatever the world market price. Now, don't panic because I'm here to help you. We can give you 5 to 8%, provided you are going to convince me that you are really a buyer. You need to show me your credential because I'm going to review your credential, whether you are a buyer or not. Now, what kind of credential I'm going to require from you? A copy of your business registration. a copy of your importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $1 million available in your bank account. And you need to apply online money laundering certificate. Why I mentioned that to you? The seller would not tell you like this, because when you transfer the payment from your bank account to Africa bank account, your manager will question you, is your money clean? Why are you transferring big amount in Africa? So when you receive the contract, you review that, then you have to tell your bank manager that you are going to purchase valued goods, in order for your manager would not alarm, why are you transferring big amount? Maybe your money is money laundering. I'll give you an example, just a minute. The seller had a contract with the buyer. The buyer came to me. So the buyer showed his credential. And his credential, he sent me a copy of your business registration, importation license, the proof of fund, and this buyer is paying crypto, USDT. Now, only Conakry accepting USDT. Sierra Leone and Mali, they are traditional. You have to pay bank-to-bank transfer. Now, this contract is fake contract because we provide mining license of the seller, export license of the seller, RTN certificate that the seller paid taxes yearly, and the mining site of the seller, and the company profile of the seller. Now, before you receive the credential of the seller, you have to pass through Wilhelmina. This is the contract that we send. The buyer came to Wilhelmina. Okay? So we send the contract to the buyer, and the buyer has to review it. When the buyer review it, he has to return the signed contract. Then we will issue the landing visa for the buyer to travel in order to inspect what he is buying. So there is no upfront here. We don't ask upfront. You order, for example, 100 kilos or 20 kilos. The 20 kilos will be reserved further for your arrival, subject for inspection, subject for assay, subject for testing. Right. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, I'm going to have a due diligence of your seller. Yes, you can. But I'm going to have a due diligence about you first. Because your credential will signify that you are a real buyer. I'm not going to release my seller's credential unless I'm satisfied. Don't you know that I am a gateway? I am the gatekeeper of the seller. You will be rejected if you don't convince Wilhelmina. And I will determine which seller I'm going to take you to Africa. Now, you're spending $1 million here. Remember that. And you need Wilhelmina to be with you on the ground. Instead of 5%, we give you 8% or 9%. Why? Because I am going to charge you extra to travel with you in order to assist you on the ground. Because you don't know my seller. I know. So I have to guide you. I have to be with you. If there is a little bit of issue, I can bargain it to you. I can sell my seller. I can negotiate for you a little bit. We don't deal chain of joker broker. We prepare to deal directly to the buyer in order for the buyer to get the profit. Now, Mr. Buyer, don't be naive. There is no upfront here when it comes to buy gold. The payment always bank to bank because of money laundering. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, send me the procedure. I mentioned that on every video. Okay? The procedure is on this video. And the procedure as well is on my platform on Facebook. I don't keep on sending procedure, full corporate offer. We offer that we have gold. Where the gold coming from? It's up for you to convince me. Then I will determine which seller I'm going to take you to Africa. During our conference, live video conference, I am going to interview you. How long you've been searching for gold? What mode of payment are you asking? A minute you're going to say, well, Amina, I'm going to buy gold, CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. Then you are a red flag. Because gold is not for cost, insurance, and freight only. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax, except shipping cost and insurance. So there is a cost. So you need to have $1 million in your bank account because there is always charges. So there is no hidden when you talk to Wilhelmina because I'm going to explain to you the charges, the shipping cost and insurance. Now, let's say you are from Dubai, okay? I'll take you to Conakry. Because Conakry and Dubai, direct flight. Okay? So, you're gonna use Sky Cargo Emirates. The office on Sky Cargo Emirates is in the airport. I've been to the office of Sky Cargo to make sure, and also I need to know what are the charges. There's a charges per kilo. So that is your job as a buyer. You have to contact Sky Cargo. I will give you the contact number if you want to buy gold in Conakry. You have to do the research. Don't rely on Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will only gather your information in order for you to get the gold in Conakry, and you will receive the confirmations of your order and the price. So then you will receive thick informations of the seller. We provide you the contract. We will provide you the mining license. We will provide you the export license of the seller. Even though in Mali or Conakry, in Sierra Leone, exactly the same. There is no difference. The reason why this is a trick because this buyer, he's going to invest on the third shipment. So we provide the Kampada mining site and the video presentation. See, this is real business. I'm just showing you, but I don't want to reveal who is the buyer because it is a confidential. Now, this is the contract, eh? So if you cannot convince Wilhelmina, how are you able to get the gold? Our selling price today, 120,240 per kilo on the Dory bar. A few minutes ago, I explained to you today, November 10, the price of gold is 4,080. When I mentioned few minutes ago, 4,079.85 per ounce. In dollars terms is 131,170.13. On Dory bar, 22 karat plus, the purity from 96.97, 120,240. Now bear with me, I'm going back because the price changes every half an hour, okay? I'm going back to the price. Just bear with me. I'm going to go to the world market so that you have an idea. So now it's still 4,080.45 per ounce, in dollars terms, still the same, 131,216.1. So don't bank on it because you have not confirmed it. So as a buyer, you need to do the research as well, because the price is not fixed. We can only fix it when you confirm your order. So don't panic, because Wilhelmina gonna be with you, and Wilhelmina will do the negotiation or bargaining power. I have the power to bargain on your behalf. Now, you're gonna see Wilhelmina, very expensive, 120,240. Well, you are purchasing expensive item. Gold is king, you must remember. He who has the gold makes the rules. You don't make the rules. The government is making the rules. Now, you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, send me the procedure. The procedure is in here. Subscribe and give me likes. This is on my YouTube channel and also on my Facebook. Give me a like, give me a comment if you comprehend. I want you to read first the full corporate offer. Do not come until you comprehend. Do not come until you are well prepared. Because if you are not well prepared and then you travel to Africa, bingo, you are going to encounter disaster. Last night, there were 3 buyers went to Africa. And they think that they can travel without invitation. One guy, he traveled to Conakry without invitation. What happened? He was in limbo. Someone approached me that, Wilhelmina, there is a buyer in Conakry right now. And I told this person, how long the buyer is in Conakry? Oh, he flew to Conakry without invitation. He think that he can get the gold easy. What happened? He was on limbo. Someone called me. And I told him, oh no. Actually, we don't entertain buyers without invitation, without the contract. We need to collect your information before we are going to deal with you. So I asked the guy that who approached me, okay, I will see if I could assist him, but I need his credential so that I could look at, then I could ask my head office in Conakry that there is a buyer in Conakry on the ground. You know why the seller doesn't want to deal with you if you're on the ground? You are soliciting and window shopping, thinking you can get gold for free. Gold is not for free. There is a value. That is why it's called gold is the world asset. You're buying world asset. So this buyer that flew to Conakry, disaster. Another buyer flew to Ghana, wanting gold from us. I said, no, I don't deal Ghana. Used to be I handle Ghana. You wouldn't get gold in Ghana right now because the government has changed. Because there's so many illegal traders smuggling gold into Dubai. Most gold from Africa landed into Dubai. Why? They're gonna refine it and then sell it to their own client. That is not our business. Our business, we have the gold, you have the money, pay bank to bank. Disaster. Another buyer went to Kampala. Disaster. So why are you going to travel, Mr. Gold Trader, without preparation? And then you know Wilhelmina for many years, and then you keep on watching my video. You're just a sticky bee. That is fine if you're a sticky bee on my platform, on my YouTube channel. Knowledge is most important. Knowledge worth $1 million. The seller would not give you this kind of knowledge. You're going to learn from University of Hard Knocks from Wilhelmina. Now let's talk about business, Mr. Buyer, properly. Tell me, how much money you have in your account? Because this is $1 million. We don't sell 1 kilo here. We don't sell 2 kilos. There is a minimum at least 20 or 50 kilos. 20 is already $1 million over. So if you don't have $1 million, how are you able to function? And then you're gonna say, oh, I don't trust Africa. Well, where the gold coming from? Why this Australian mining company is in Africa? Why Chinese, German, Italian, Russian, Canadian? Why are they there? They're mining gold. They're leasing the site. You, as the small gold trader, you don't have this much. And then you're gonna say, bring it to your destination. Are you kidding? Why are we gonna bring the money to you? Gold is money. Show me your paper money. Then you will get the solid money. The gold will not come to you unless we're gonna have a contract. Unless you prove that you have available fund. Show me your bank account. How much money available in your bank account. Don't be scared. This buyer has no hesitation. He showed us his bank account. He showed us his USDT. Yeah. Only Conakry, Guinea right now accepting crypto or USDT. Bamako, Mali, and Sierra Leone, they are traditional payment bank to bank because of money laundering. Okay? Now, Mr. Buyer, I don't know how can I help you. Mr. Buyer, don't be a fool because there is no free in this world. Gold is cash business. And my services is also expensive. You are buying expensive precious mineral, there is a value. And Wilhelmina's extra service is a little bit peanuts for you because I am charging you to assist you in order that you're going to be assisted properly. Now, Mr. Buyer, you have two options. 5%, you travel. I will arrange the contract. I will monitor your movement. Okay? You will be invited. Don't travel without invitation because you are going to fail. Why? When we invite you, meaning to say you are exclusively company guest because you signed the contract, right? If you sign the contract exclusively, you are the company guest of the seller. So, you travel, and I will monitor your movement if you don't want to pay my extra. There is no forcing here. And if there is an issue, Wilhelmina is too far from you. I cannot sort it out. It's better you spend money to make money. Take Wilhelmina with you. I will assist you in the office. And if there is an issue, I can argue with you or I can find alternative, another backup. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, how much you charge? That's a very good question. Mr. Buyer, you're spending $1 million here. What is $20,000 to cover my travel cost? My airfare, my traveling cost, my expenses, right? At the end of the day, you're getting 8% or even 9%. When you resell it and you're going to bring that to Dubai, sell it to 2.5%, you still get 6% profit. But if you're dealing with chain of joker broker, of course you have to pay your joker broker commission. We don't pay double commission here. However, Wilhelmina is very kind and generous. If you are watching me, if you're a broker, don't be afraid with Wilhelmina because I'm very strict. Let me handle it because I'm going to scrutinize your buyer. You create a group chat. If you are from Dubai, download Botim because I want to see you live. I want to see your face because I will analyze. I can analyze your conversation. I'm using business psychology here. And I can see your face whether you're telling the truth or not. And when you come for conference, do not say, "Hi, Wilhelmina." Okay? Wilhelmina, I am a buyer. I watch your YouTube channel. Do not say hi, hello. You just say, "Good morning, Wilhelmina. Good evening. I watch your video on YouTube and I went through your Facebook and I do understand the procedure. Wilhelmina, I am sending you my credential for you to vouch which seller you are going to take as Wilhelmina." Yeah, very simple. Very simple. Listen first to this video and subscribe because time to time I updated the price. And the procedure is on this video. Click below, give me the likes. If you like it, I know most of the people doesn't want to leave a message. Why are you scared for? Give me a comment if you comprehend. If you don't, at least you watch this video. Now again, I'm going to summarize. Our selling price 120,240 on Doribar. You are not buying 131,170.13. You're not. Our selling price is LBME. Whatever the price of 131, 170, less 5% out of that. Okay, now I'm gonna get the calculator. 131, 170.13 less 5%. Your profit per kilo is 6,055. Okay? 6,055. Minus again 131, 170.13. 124 per kilo. But I'm giving you 120,240 instead of 124,061 on 5%. Now, because you convinced Wilhelmina, I might consider to give you 8%. On 131, 170.13 less 8%, your profit per kilo is $10,000, 493 per kilo. Less 131, 170.13. Right, this is it. 120,000. Yeah? 120,676. Yeah? On 8% because you are paying my extra. However, Wilhelmina is very kind and generous. I might bargain to my head office because you convince me and you need my presence in the office. I might give you 9%. So don't bank on it because you have not convinced me. This is only a preempt conversation. So think about it. Now, on 131,170.13 less 131, 170.13 less 9%. Your profit per kilo is 11,805 per kilo. This is your profit per kilo on 9%. Okay? If you convince me, but you have not convinced me, I'm just giving you a preempt conversation. All right. So less another 131, 170.13. This is the price on 9%, which is 119,364. But if a big quantity, I might give you a leeway. So convince me so that I could help you to negotiate. But if you cannot afford to pay my extra service, 5%. But if you can afford to pay my extra service to be with you, so that if there is an issue, I can be with you, 8% to 9%. But if you're dealing with chain of middlemen, you have to pay your middleman because we are not paying double commission. Instead, we give the profit to you, Mr. Buyer. Now, our selling price, it fluctuates. It doesn't matter if it's a long-term supply. Mr. Buyer, if you deal with us, believe me, you are going to be happy. Now, there was a buyer, father and son. I took him to Africa. He go behind my back. I'm not going to mention his name because he doesn't want me to reveal his name. I have all the records. Now, Mr. Buyer, when I take you to Africa, don't go behind my back because I'm going to expose you. I have all your credentials, so don't muck around with Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina is very honest. But if you're dishonest, and if you blah 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 against me, I send this buyer letter from my lawyer because he bullied me. I'm not scared with you, Mr. Buyer. I'm not. I've done nothing wrong. If you have no capital, don't be involved in this business. If you have only $600,000, you can go somewhere else to other seller who offer you cheap price. Go for it. Because one way or another, you are going to land it into disaster. I know the secret. And I'm not going to tell you my secret. But once you come for conference, I'm going to advise you. You don't need to hide your things. And when you come, open your camera. I want to see you. Okay, most of the potential buyer, they are scared to open their camera. Why are you using fake picture? Why? I'm not. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane. There is no gold here. Nah. The gold is in Africa. You know, this... Just a moment. Yeah, good evening. This is Wilhelmina. Hello? This is a person who called me and then he hung up. He wanted me to call back. No, I'm not interested. Okay? So, Mr. Buyer, what can I do for you? Tell me. Don't you know that this gold, the raw materials coming from Africa, I purchased this in Dubai in Gold Souk. Most of the shop in Gold Souks are Indians. Indians are a gold lover. They travel to Africa, buy gold, and then they refine it. Yeah, this is heavy. Yeah, this is 23 carats. See? The raw material is coming from Africa. Mr. Buyer, buy gold. Because gold is tax heaven. And if you're a gold trader, you don't have much capital, stay away. Because if you have limited cash, you are going to fail. I rather advise stay away. Put your money into the term deposit, 3% a year interest. But when you buy gold, every bar, you get a profit. $10,000 per profit per kilo. And don't ask me, oh, well, Mina, I'm going to be in gold business. Do you think I'm going to get the profit? Well, you're in business. You should know that. We are now on the global digital. You can search gold. What price of the day? I can only give you a good deal when you convince Wilhelmina. We are delivering 29 kilos. I think my head office was saying, Wilhelmina, we are delivering 29 kilos to Dubai. Korean buyer. They paid cash, bank to bank, before the gold leave the country of Conakry. The gold is already fully paid. And my head office will travel to Dubai because the buyer wanting to sign a contract. So initial, he ordered 29 kilos. After that, the buyer will sign a long-term contract. Now, Mr. Buyer, my head office is not buying your terms and conditions, saying no upfront. Gold is not for no upfront. You have to pay whether you like it or not. Because there is a tax. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax. Now, let's talk about the taxes. when you come for conference. Okay? Let's talk about it, and I will assist you properly if you're really serious buyer. If you're not serious buyer, forget about it. At least you watch this video, read the full corporate offer, and then you can make a decision. I'm not forcing you to buy because gold is gold. Gold will not fade. Your money would not have, your money would no value anymore. Your money is now shrinking. They are buying gold because gold is money versus paper money. Mr. Buyer, I think I've been speaking too much. Just click below, read the full corporate offer. I just came for live in order to update the price. Thank you.